Okay, so you have to construct an ellipse when the distance between directrix and focus is 50 mm and eccentricity is 2 by 3. As already told, as you have known already, that the eccentricity for ellipse will be less than 1. So this is the general method to construct the ellipse. Firstly, you have to draw a vertical line. And approximately from at the middle, you have to draw a horizontal line. The lengths are not determined here. The length can be anything. Okay. The length is not fixed up to this point, but this will be determined later. And this line is called directrix. Okay. We'll denote it by capital D. Or the intersecting point between the horizontal and vertical line has been denoted by D. Another point is to be marked here, F. So that will be the focus. Okay. And D to F is 50 mm. Okay, now eccentricity is given as 2 by 3. So the vertex will have to be taken here. The vertex point will be the starting point of the curve. Okay, so between D and F there will be another point V, vertex. Okay, and it is told that eccentricity is 2 by 3. That means that that numerically or geometrically, that means that the distance of the vertex from the focus is 2 unit, and distance of the vertex from the directrix is 3 unit. As if you can recall the eccentricity definition, the distance of a point from the focus divided by distance of the same point from the directrix. So 2 units from focus and 3 units from directrix. So we have to divide the DF line into 5 equal parts firstly. All of you have known how to divide a line. So the line has been divided into 5 equal parts. Now, okay, so the vertex will be 2 units from focus, so 1, 2. So that point will be vertex. Just denoted by V. Okay, as ellipse is a closed curve, so V1 and V2, two vertexes will be there. Just name the point as V1. So now you can see that 2 units from focus and 3 units, 1, 2, 3 units from directrix. So the condition has been fulfilled here. Now through focus, draw a vertical line like that. And through vertex also, draw a vertical line to V1. Okay. Now just follow the step here. Now taking the measurement from V1 to F, draw a arc. Name the point as, let us say, G. So I'm writing it here that V1G will be is equal to V1F. This condition has to be fulfilled. Now the next step is to join D to G and extend the line. Okay, joining D to G, I have to extend the line. So another focus will be there. So that focus has to be found like that. Now draw a 45-degree inclined line from F. Let us see, it will meet somewhere here. As I don't have space here to draw, so I have to draw a 45-degree inclined line from F, and this will meet somewhere outside that outside this drawing. So let us say that name is H. So at H point, those two lines will meet. So from H point, draw a perpendicular line. Okay, So that point will be the second vertex. Okay, so the ellipse will be constructed between V1 and V2. The curve will be like that. Follow my cursor here. The curve will be like that. Now the next step, what we have to do in the next step, that we have to draw a number of vertical lines between V1 and V2. The number are not fixed. At unequal interval, I have to take a number of lines. So the distances between line may or may not be equal. It is obvious that you may not take them as equal. But take a number of lines. The more the number of lines, the finer the curve will be. Okay. So let us say I am giving name the first point as 1 and this point as 1 dash. Next 2 dash. I will show 3 or 4. Then the remaining you can do by yourself. Let us say it is 4 and 4 dash. So the dashed line are extended DG, the vertical lines are intersecting extended DG line at 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash like that. And the horizontal line is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I have to do, the next step, okay, now with the help of pencil compass or divider, I have to take the measurement of 1 to 1 dash. Okay, so with pencil compass, I have to take 1 to 1 dash and making center at F with 1 to 1 dash, I have to cut one point here and another point here. Okay, so this will be the points of the ellipse. Okay, so 1 to 1 dash is being taken and making center of at F. 2 points are being cut. So these 2 points will be through these 2 points the ellipse will be constructed. Now 2 to 2 dash will have to be taken and making center at F. Another 2 points will have to be cut. The same points will have to be repeated now for remaining lines. So 3 to 3 dash will have to be taken and making center at F. Again 2 points will have to be cut and making center at F. So this point will be here and taking F to this point, we can cut another point. Now making center 4 to 4 dash through F, cut a point at the above, cut a point at below. Okay, so now if I join this line now, the joining will have to be done by means of French curve, or this can be done by the freehand also. Okay. Either you can join it by freehand or the French curve. So then the ellipse will be constructed. So that's how ellipse is being constructed. So remember one thing, that the point V2, how that V2 has been obtained. Drawing, so a 45 degree line has been drawn from the F, and this will cut the extended DG line at H. So through H, if we draw a vertical line, then the second vertex will be formed. That's how ellipse is constructed.